you know, my story of my career life. I love bling since I was little. I don't know why. I just too like love the colors. As I say, opposite from my sister and my brother, they are totally different. Really fashionista, but then they are really conservative. I'm just too. I like a lot of colors. People can say I'm busy, but I do not care. I like what I like, right? Because you can't be not liking what you not like. So that's why you're seeing a lot of my fun colors in like bright. Even one of my mentors will tell me that is because you are who you are. As I like about you a lot because you like bright, you like a lot going on. I like that. I don't know. It probably would describe that my personality. I'm to be honest. I'm really like a quiet person. I don't know because all of you give me a lot of inspiration. I'm so excited to be, but probably if I see you in person, I might not talk a lot like this. I might let you and listen to you talk instead of me. So, okay, so instead of no white top coat, we are going to do a matte top coat. Where's a matte top coat somewhere? Okay, yes, I think I hide it from matte top coat. Thank you so much, China. China? Mm-hmm. All right, so we're gonna apply the matte top coat. Neon, so then it get matched. Live Ass, how are you? Happy Friday. Thanks so much for tuning in. I think I have another bottle of it. Hello, Hill. Oh, every time we send Hills go somewhere, we end up finish it before him. It's funny because we have it, and of course, maybe it's somewhere in here. Okay, no, I wouldn't have a lot. I've been moving my streaming stations for all of you. All right, give me that mat. Oh yeah, here you go. Sorry. So normally when you see, I'm gonna show you. Don't feel freak out when you see the mat like that. It looks like it really cloudy. It's not supposed to be shiny. It's cloudy. That's how it's a good mat. It's give you a really sway mat, and this mat is perfect with oh, I should try that premium mat for all of you to see it, huh? Maybe next videos we're doing it. Next stream we're gonna do that. I got that one. Let me using one of, I already have that. Maybe orange. Do we have orange in that? Maybe yellow. The short.
Yep. So you guys don't worry too much. We still have the recording. Just come back and watch it. Because, yes, you know Nancy. Come on up whenever she like.
What? You know, I'll be honest, I don't know, like talking back about my conversation, I'm really shy though. I'm not gonna lie to you. If I see you in person, I might like listen to you talk instead of me. I don't know why. If in my field, I talk a lot. I got opportunity to teach so many salons and a lot of nail tech and business owner with helping them, help them, consult them. It's so passionate. It's like for free, okay? It's not like a charge or anything. With so many, a thousand of salons, I got opportunity to train. And in my field, yes, you hear me talk a lot, but talking about something I don't know much about. Like, Hugh basically is my library. So, Hugh's Vicky, and my kids is my library. So, and you are my library, because if I asking like, can you tell me what's the news in the Netflix now, or what news in it, then you will tell me. Thanks to all of you. Such a really inspirations, community. Really, really appreciate you all. I hope it's not only like place for to hang out with the crystal placement, a lot of It's great to be motivate each of us, for any of you, not only learning but also motivate each other. So I'm doing a silver today. I don't know what it's like. I have one nails with gold though. What is that nails though? Something from the nails. Oh, I shaped the coffin tips today. You like the coffin shape? If you like it, I can shape this. And to turn it like to closer to the shape that we do, I can do almond shape, shorter shape that we're doing it, shorter nails. So for all of you, can be like if you have a shorter nails clients, I do have a shorter nail clients as well. So then we can all inspire from each other to see a different designs, like it matching with the short nails. So you don't have to worry about like if the clients have a short nails and you can't do the design like this with the short nail. So we absolutely can do. This nail is way shorter than the nails I usually do because I shape it coffins for all of us. So we can really enjoying it. So here's a cool tip and trick. When you're doing a crystal placement, this is really easy concept. If you, I just want you to remember one thing. You put really like the big centerpiece first, right? It doesn't matter. You can do it on a cuticles area, or you can also do it in like middle of the nails, and you can do it diagonal on the edges of the nail, however you prefer. And if you're doing that, and you can place your crystal along with this and put your beads, if you like the beads, you can place your beads between the crystals and between the edges of the crystal, and then you'll achieve really nice look. You'll never go wrong with this, I promise. All right, so if you're happy with this, I'm gonna cure. Before you cure, make sure you don't use your fingers, just wipe using a piece of paper, wipe on the side, the edges of underneath of it, and cure for 60 seconds. Here's a look when I move it flat. There you go. Cure for 60 seconds.